Kapuso actor Dustin Yu recalled how he used to play being a housemate with his cousins growing up. Several years later, he joined the Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab edition as one of the official housemates representing GMA. Growing up, di ko naman siya ine-expect but then noong mga bata pa kaming magpipinsan, nilalaro na namin yung PBB sa bahay. Yung eldest namin siya yung Big Brother, ganyan, he recalled. Dustin shared that he didn't expect to be part of the official housemates but decided to go for it as he was already given the opportunity. Hindi ko naman siya pinangarap or inexpect na makakapasok ako pero noong nalaman ko na nakapasok ako, what made me decide na mag-game is because ako naman lahat ng opportunity talaga since bata pa lang ako, ginagrab ko talaga siya, he added. The Kapuso actor then expressed how going inside the PBB house is a good move for him as he's been out of showbiz for some time to focus on his business. He shared that this opportunity could help him land more projects in the future after his stint in PBB. Good opportunity siya kasi matagal na akong wala sa showbiz in terms of projects. Kasi nag-focus ako sa business habang wala pa akong project, parang habang naghihintay. Ito, bigla na lang wow PBB agad. Sobrang blessed, he said. When asked about a celebrity he wants to enter the PBB house as well, Dustin didn't hesitate to answer volunteer his close friend and fellow GMA artist David Licauco. He listed down several attributes that his friend has that could help the dynamics of the other housemates. David, kasi kaibigan ko siya and I think mag-guide niya yung buong housemates in terms of overall attitude, sipag, lalo na sa sipag, mindset. Siyempre, masaya rin na may makasama ka na kaibigan mo, he explained. Catch Dustin and the rest of the celebrity housemates in the latest edition of Pinoy Big Brother on several Kapamilya and Kapuso platforms on weeknights.